going on YouTube? It's your boy Mr. G.D.I.Y. back with another video, man. Hey, today is the day. It's probably gonna be a two-part in one video because today is been raining all week. It's raining today. It's been raining all week. I've been trying to get the reveal of the essence, how it look out in the sun. I ain't seen it, so today I'm gonna start taking off the tape and all that and seeing what we looking like. I want to put it outside, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it out today because it's raining, or it's been raining, but we gonna see, man. So right now we're just gonna take the tape off and see what we got. So y'all hold tight, I got you. Yeah, I took this off. I haven't even been in the garage like that, but I've been working, man. It's just been work. That's why I told y'all I ain't have a lot of time to paint it. So when I had the chance to do it, I just went on and did it. Cause it's like, bro, when do I ever have time? Right now. So between AAU and all that, it's just what we got. So, you know, trying to get it off. I'm probably sit y'all down, man. Give me a second. I'm gonna take this off though, but everything's looking smooth, man. I still ain't no wet. I ain't did no cutting, buffing, and none of that. I don't even know if I'm gonna do it. If I do, it might be light because I don't think I got enough clear on here, and I don't really feel like doing that right now. So yeah, we're gonna get this off, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on 1 second. Alright, YouTube, this the next day. Unconnected the battery, man. Got sun out, as you can see. Try to get it out here and see if I can get it baking for a little bit. Stuff I gotta move, I probably end up pulling it out in the street, but for now I'm pulling in the driveway. So I'm trying to move all this stuff so that I can get this mug out. Ain't seen no sun since I painted. It's been a couple weeks. It's been raining them weeks, so see what I can get out. I've been trying. Every time I try, it want to shade or just don't be nothing, bro. And look, I got little dust on the windshield. I mean, on the all on, so little old spray, little dust, whatever. But let's see, man. I ain't crunked this car up and I can't even tell you how long. Just had it on the battery charger. See what we got. See what we got. Long time coming. That worked. It's in the shade right now. Can't really see, man. I don't see too much and then popping off, but just right there you can see a little. But the hell with it, man. I'm about to take it to the street. I gotta move my car. See, I got a little overspray slash dust right there. I'm about to move in my car, man. I want to see it all the way in the sun. Like I said, I ain't done, but I'm gonna see something. Alright, YouTube. Matter of fact, let me cut the call. See what's going on. I see it a little. I got a little angles, man. I don't see a whole lot. I think it depends on how the sun hit it. I know y'all probably can see it in the camera better, but I see it, but you don't know. I see it, but I kind of don't. But I see it. If that, you know what I mean? If you can get what I'm saying. But overall, man, I ain't tripping on it. Like I said, I did it myself, so I ain't never tripping. Even with my little run. But I think it, you know, it'll show his pearl when it want to show his pearl, I guess. But I see it a little bit, but now I'm gonna let it sit out here and bait, man. Fuck it. Hey, man. YouTube. Catch me on the next video, man. Sometimes them shops get bagged up. You don't know what stars, you gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, and we out. Peace.